Don't download Teamwork Enterprise Project Marketing app before watching this. Before you download Teamwork Enterprise Project Marketing, here's the surprising truth: it's not just a project management tool. At the enterprise level, Teamwork integrates task management, time tracking, and client collaboration, but most teams make mistakes during setup. Step 1. Define project structures. Teamwork Enterprise allows multiple projects, subtasks, and milestones. Most people get this wrong by keeping unorganized boards, which leads to missed deadlines. Step 2. Set up workflows. Enterprise users can create automated notifications, task assignments, and recurring tasks. The surprising truth is, without proper design, automation can create more confusion than clarity. Step 3. Integrate with marketing tools. Connecting Teamwork to CRMs, email platforms, and reporting dashboards centralizes information. Without this, project tracking and reporting remain incomplete. Step 4. Monitor progress and optimize. Enterprise analytics track project timelines, workload distribution, and completion rates. Teams that act on insights improve efficiency and reduce bottlenecks. The upside: properly used, Teamwork Enterprise can increase on-time project completion by up to 40%, improve team communication, and provide real-time visibility across marketing campaigns. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization plans structures carefully, trains teams on workflows, and integrates with key marketing tools. For smaller teams, simpler project management apps may suffice. Subscribe for insights to make smarter enterprise software decisions.